This is Shug. Today we're watching a steam engine go by. A steam engine is a train powered by boiling water, so hot that it turns into a gas, like the stuff around you, that is air. We're watching it go by because it is a very old and historic train. It was made in 1941 and there was only 25 of them. The name of the train is Big Boy. Currently, it's parked over there so people can see it. We are a little far from it so we can't, but in the meantime, while we wait for it to start going again, I can tell you some more facts about it. So, one of the facts is that it's 132 feet long. That is very long. Another fact is that it's going through 9 states right now. Why? Well, because it originally was built and put on the track in 1941 and ran for 20 years. In that time, it went over 1 million miles. But it was retired. The reason it's running right now is because they revitalized it so people could see it again for the Heartland of America Tour. That is the train over there. It should be passing us soon, but if you want, you can walk with me and you can go see it parked over there. You want to come? All right, let's go. Do you hear that? Sounds like it's starting up. And there it is over there. Can you see it? That is a train steam engine. That is the train's whistle. It's used to alert nearby people and also I get to tell others that it's here. It's very nice. Well, there you have it, folks. We just witnessed history.